Apple just launched the new HomePod Mini speaker as a successor to the original HomePod speaker launched a couple of years back. Well, it was not the kind of speaker everyone loved. So now they are making a comeback with the HomePod Mini, and let's see how it goes. Hey everyone, welcome back to MashTips. This is the new HomePod Mini from Apple with the powerful Siri on board. Hold on, the box looks familiar. We have seen such cube-shaped boxes with the old iPods, and almost a decade later, those boxes are back with the HomePod Mini. Let's see what Apple brings this time. Let's pull the thing out of the box, the HomePod Mini. From the design aspect itself, it looks similar to that of the new Amazon Echo Dot 4th Gen, which we have already reviewed. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to watch Echo Dot 4th Gen review. Fortunately, it comes with an 18 watts power adapter with a USB-C port that was originally supposed to come with the iPhone 12. Unfortunately, it didn't. The white USB-C cable is attached to the speaker and is about 6 feet long. As always, setting up a new device in the Apple ecosystem is real quick and easy. HomePod is not different. I just plug the HomePod Mini to the power adapter and put my iPhone near to it. There it goes. A pop-up on my iPhone asking to set up the device. So easy and needs no app. Remember one thing, getting Apple HomePod Mini makes sense only if you have an iPhone. You can connect your Apple apps like Apple Music using the same iCloud account to the HomePod. That's how you listen to music and do the rest of the things. You can't stream music from Spotify yet, but we think Apple will extend its support later. There's a circular touch control panel on the top made of glossy plastic-like material. You can use the gestures to trigger Siri, rock the volume, and do more with it. Interestingly, Apple puts the control lights underneath it, which amplifies the overall look of the HomePod Mini. You could see the white Siri themed light on it. That's a cool addition to the aesthetics. If you ever want to play music from your iPhone on the HomePod Mini, play the music on your iPhone, put it near the speaker, and there you go. It will transfer the music playback from iPhone to the HomePod speaker. Let's see how it sounds with the music on. The sound quality is seemingly better than the Amazon Echo Dot and obviously the Google Nest Mini. We will do a detailed comparison of HomePod Mini versus Echo Dot 4th Gen for you to choose the right speaker. So, is a Siri powerful enough to control your home? Let's try out some commands.
Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri,
Hmm?
how is Christmas?
Christmas is an annual festival commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ, observed primarily on December 25th as a religious and cultural celebration among billions of people around the world. That was from Wikipedia. Should I keep going?
No, enough. Hey Siri, can you play a song for me?
Okay, here's a station just for you.
Hey Siri,
Uh-huh.
how is weather today?
It's currently cloudy and 70 degrees. Expect partly cloudy skies starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 70 degrees to 63 tonight.
HomePod Mini definitely has a powerful speaker, but not a powerful assistant. Siri is not yet matured from being an iPhone assistant to a day-to-day virtual assistant unlike Alexa or Google Nest. Anyways, the new HomePod Mini is still a great deal even at the original price tag. You can grab the Apple's powerful mini speaker in two colors, space gray and white at just $99. Stay tuned with MashTips.com for more detailed review and comparison for HomePod Mini.